Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a little unboxing. So I ended up getting a couple things from the Colourpop's Beauty and the Beast collection because obviously that's my friggin' princess. And so yeah, let's open it up. Like I said, only bought a couple things because realistically, I don't go through makeup that quick. So okay, so yeah, I don't really go through makeup like that quick, especially eyeshadow. So when the collection came out, I knew I was gonna only get a couple pieces that I just really liked. And I'm always wearing lipstick. That one I do go through it quick. So I just ended up getting the lip products from the collection. And also, if you guys watch my Twilight unboxing, I purchased like the whole set. And so, I didn't really need another eyeshadow palette. But so yeah, so I ended up getting their lip mask. So pretty. Okay. Look at the inside. And so yeah, it's shaped like a rose obviously, and the shade is Enchanted Rose, and again it's a lip mask. Let's see. Yeah, it smells good. Okay, that's the first thing that I purchased, and then I got the Beauty and the Beast lip combo kit dual thing. I'm definitely saving the packaging because it's so pretty. Best. Okay, so yeah, this set, I think it was labeled as like the first dance, and it was $40. I'm trying to be very careful because I do want to save the packaging, and I know sometimes I'll rip into it, but let's see. Okay. So here is their ultra glossy lip, and then I do need to open it from the top. I need to be careful. Yeah, for some reason I don't know like how to carefully open these without ripping them apart. There you go. Okay. Yeah, because I'm gonna display these in my vanity, so I'm trying to be careful. So yeah, here is the lipstick. Has the rose petals and it's all yellow. You know what I want to do is let's compare these two shades with the other Beauty and the Beast lipsticks. Let's do that because the one from their designer, the Princess Designer collection, I was obsessed with that shade. I'm trying so hard to save it and not use it up all, but yeah, I can't find something similar to it. Okay, so now let's open up the Beast. And again, I'm going to try to be very careful because the packaging is so pretty and I want to save it. Okay, so you get, again, a lip gloss and the lipstick. And this packaging is still the same. It has the roses on there, which is fine. Just a different shade. And it also has the little rose details on the lipstick. Okay, let me go get the other products that I have that are like Beauty and the Beast themed. Hold on, so we can compare the shades. Okay, so these are all of the, I guess, Beauty and the Beast themed lipstick glosses that I own from Colourpop. And I actually wanted to see if this matches this one. So honestly, I regret not buying the whole like when they came out with the Princess Designer collection because these colors were so pretty. So yeah, obviously this one is Balm, and I haven't been able to find this shade at all, something that's like similar to this. I have not been able to find this, and yeah, I'm trying to make this last because I really truly love how this looks on me. So yeah, again, this is from their designer collection that came out a while, like years ago, right? And the gloss is also really, really pretty. And then this one is, well, it's already faded, but it was from their Masquerade Ball collection that they did as well a while back. And just really, really pretty colors. This one is Beast. And then obviously this is from their newest lipstick collection that they did for the princesses. And again, this one's labeled Belle, but it is a different shade. It's not the same. It's a little bit different. So yeah, let me see. Which one is this? Is yeah, this one's the Belle. But from the pictures, it did look a little bit different. Yeah, it looked a little bit lighter. It's still really pretty, but it's not the same shade as this one that I'm obsessed with. But yeah, it's really pretty. I'm actually excited for this one though, because I don't really own any like super dark, like brown lipstick. So let's see how it looks on me. But yeah, here's the brown, the Beast. And here's the glosses. So yeah. Okay, let me clean and remove the makeup, and let's go take this and display it in my vanity. So let's go. Okay, so I have shown my little like vanity section in the past, but if you guys haven't seen it, here it is. I love it. You know, I'm able to display what I have, you know, my nail polish collection, all of the, I'm telling you, I wear a lot of lip gloss. I wasn't like joking when I told you guys that I love wearing it, because, you know, sometimes, you know, you don't want to wear full face of makeup, but, you know, but you want to add a little bit of color to your face, add a lipstick. But anyways, and then also having it on display helps me see, you know, what I have, and, you know, plus, you know, it makes it look cute. So yeah, this is my like princess collection right there that I'm obsessed with. And obviously more nail polish and lip glosses. And so yeah, I try to display on here to see like what I have. And so yeah. So yeah, anyways, I need to find space though, because I want to display this as well. So do I need to move things around? We'll see. Do I need to order a shelf? Let me figure this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided that I'm just gonna buy 2 of these shelves and put them in the back, and I'll remove the bags. I just had them on there for display, but yeah, I ended up going, I think it was last year, to Lip Lab. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. You basically make your own custom lipstick. It was fun. This is the one that I made. Let me show you. So yeah, this is the lipstick shade. I tried really hard to match it to this one, but I feel like it didn't really match. But let me show you. Hold on. So yeah, the Belle one still is a little bit darker. But yeah, again, it was fun though, mixing and learning how to make a custom lipstick. So yeah. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let me order the shelves, and I'll post an update on my Instagram, and I'll remove this and we'll fix it up. That way I can display this, because again, the packaging is so cute. I don't want to get rid of it. It's so pretty. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.